Range Rover Vogue in for our pin code Pro pin to drive immobiliser. So how it works and what's slightly different is you can start the vehicle. If you select gear, it will cut the engine, but this one will switch it back off. It will put it into park, handbrake on, and shut it all down, as well as calling your phone and notifying you. So if I just show you, select a gear, switches it off, puts it back into park, handbrake on. It's now ringing your phone, letting you know that the vehicle is under attack. So it will allow you to restart. All you've got to do is using buttons around the vehicles, enter your pin code, enter the code, you get a double flash confirmation, and the vehicle is now safe to go. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tiny Elite Car Security 0333 012 9028.